So I have these steps, right? So let me just write out what we do. So if I say x minus 4 plus 5 equals 23, that's like step 1. Then we have step 2, which is like x divided by 4 plus 5 minus 5 equals 23 minus 5. Then we have step 3, which is x divided by 4 equals 18. Okay. Then we have, I'm sorry, did I say step 4? That was step 3. Then we have step 4, which is just going to be x over 4 multiplied by 4 equal to 18 multiplied by 4. Not 8, 4. Got a little excited there with my penmanship there. And then when we do all that, these 4's will cancel, and I get x is equal to 72. This is a very typical SAT problem. So when you're juniors in high school, you're going to take the SAT, you'll probably see 3 or 4 problems like this, and they're going to say, what property of equality is being used on, say, step 2? Well, in regular layman's terms, I subtracted 5 from both sides, but how's the very formal way to say that? I used what? I used the subtraction property of equality. So these example problems are not from the tutorial. I still want you guys to go and look at the tutorial at some point in time. We might, once we get caught up on our pace, we got a little bit behind because of our technology issues. But I still want you guys to watch the tutorial and work on the practice problems. So these are a completely different set of problems. All right. So step 4 then, what do we do in step 4? Good, you used the formal language. You said multiplication property of equality. If you ever take a math class in college, they're very formal, especially if you're like going to any field that's related to mathematics. It's like a completely different language that you have to learn. It's very formal. So we kind of got to give you a taste of it now.